Yes, my people, welcome back to my kitchen. Whop, 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 whop. Today, we are going to cook something different. We are going to make squid. Squid. We are going to do squid today. I already have my squid cleaned up right here. And shrimp. Squid and shrimp. Yes, squid and shrimp today. So, before we get into it, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. So, I have my squid right here. I already cleaned it up properly. It's already clean. It's already well cleaned up. They are all already cleaned up, okay? So, I'm gonna do some squid kebab with shrimp. So we're gonna have shrimp and squid kebab. So before we do that, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pre-boil my squid a little bit. Shrimp now. My squid is already clean. You can see I cleaned my squid. All of that is clean. So I'm about to clean my shrimp right now. I'm gonna get right into it right now. So first I broke the head off. Then I just take the skin off of it. Take it out of the shell. Real quick. Bang. After I get it out of the shell like that, then I cut it. I cut the back of it. I split it open. And then there is the vein. There's the poop right there. There's the poo. See the poo? That's the poop right here. That's the poo. So I have to repeat that process over and over. So stay tuned until I finish all of them. And one in the front. This is the front vein. This one is the intake, one is the out. So I took this one out too. Here it is. Here it is. All right. So I'm repeating that process over and over again until I clean all my shrimp, okay? So yes, my people, so I'm gonna cut my squid. I'm gonna cut it in some small chunks. And then I'm gonna pre-boil it for a little bit. So I'm cutting up my squid. So yes, my people, so now I'm gonna beat my squid a little bit. When you beat the squid, Now it's cooked faster. So I have to beat it. See? So now I beat it. So it softens it up a little bit. So I'm going to repeat that process and I'm going to beat all of it like that. After beating it, then I'm going to put it to boil for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to strain it up and season it up and put it on my steak. So yes, my people, my squid is ready to go on the fire for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to pre-cook it before I can put it onto the stick like my shrimp. Okay? So stay tuned. We do what we do and we love what we do. That's why we do what we do. Okay? Tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Now I'm going to just pour my squid in my water and I'm going to just put it on the fire to pre-boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So yes, my people, so here's my squid. I'm boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna drain the water and continue my process. I'm just boiling it in some just plain water. So yes, my people, in the meantime, I'm waiting on my squid to pre-cook. I'm gonna go ahead and blend a little bit of seasoning, because I'm gonna use some blend seasoning. I'm gonna blend a little scallion and some thyme, a little scallion, thyme, and ginger and garlic. Yeah. Just a little seasoning so I can use for my garlic. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend these, make a little seasoning for my squid and shrimp. And also a little piece of ginger. And my habanero. Half a habanero. I don't want it too spicy. Onion. I don't want too much I'm not using too much seasoning. So I'm using a lot of scallion. My green. Yes, that's a code. And also I'm gonna put a little of my crayfish, shrimp and lobster seasoning. 1 teaspoon. And I'm still gonna use a half a teaspoon of my garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And my total seasoning, I'm gonna use a little bit. And I'll have a teaspoon. I'm going to use a little cooking oil to blend the seed, to blend it. A little bit of cooking oil. That's enough. You can use thyme if you want, but I'm using tahini. And for this one, I'm going to use some cilantro. I'm going to use me a little cilantro. And I'm going to be blending this right now. Stay tuned. So yes, my people, this is my squid after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what I have here. So I'm going to leave my squid to cool down while I cut up my my bell pepper and also my squash and my onion. And then I'm going to start, after it cool on, I'm going to start to put them on the stick. So right here I have my shrimp over here and my squid over here. So it is cooling down right now. The shrimp is cooling down. It's looking really nice. You know, it's not too hard. Yeah, it's ready to go on the grill. Okay. And also here's my seasoning. I just blend all my seasoning. When it cool down, I'm gonna put them on the stick, and then I'm gonna use it to season. I'm gonna dry rub them first, and then I'm gonna put this seasoning on top of it. And then we're gonna put it on the grill. Stay tuned. So, I'm gonna cut these in big chunks so we can stick them on thick. No seed this time in this one. We're not gonna use any seed, so we're gonna cut them about that size. Yes, because we're making shrimp and squid kebab. Okay. Put it aside. Then my squash. Same thing, I'm cutting them not too small, because they're gonna have to go on the stick as well. About that size. That's a cool. So these are what I'm gonna put on my stick with my shrimp and my squid. It's almost cooled down. Give it a couple more minutes then I can season it up and start do what I'm doing, okay? Stay tuned. So yes, my people, it's about time. It's about time for me to start to put on my string, my stick. That's one. Okay, so stay tuned. Making something delicious today. Well, nice and easy recipe. Here you go, my people. That is it. So here it's all here. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna put my seasoning on it. My garlic powder. I'm gonna put my garlic powder, sprinkle my garlic powder, is a sprinkle. Turn it over and sprinkle. Just a sprinkle. For sure, I'm gonna put my fish seasoning on it. Just a little. Just like that. No, I want a lot of seasoning. And also my my total seasoning. That is it, my people. That is it. That is it. Here and now, my blending seasoning. I'm just gonna use it and I'm just gonna dress it like that. I'm just gonna dress it a little, just dress a little bit the season, my blending seasoning on it. Just blend it, just like that. Just like that, my people. Haha, it's ready to eat already. It's want to go on the grill for 7 to 10 minutes and the shrimp will be ready. And everything will be ready. As soon as the shrimp is ready, all is good. All is good. God, the squid is already half cooked. It's already pre-cooked already. So, yes, my people. Yes, my people. A data code. "15 minutes and it's been ready." "10 to 15 minutes and it will be ready, my people." There's a piece of file paper in this. And then I just put these in there just like that. Just like that, my people. Just like that, my people. Like that. And then I'm gonna put it in my oven. I'm gonna put it in my oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Stay tuned. So yes, my people, so in the meantime, I'm gonna make some vegetable rice. I'm going to make some vegetable rice to go along with my shrimp and squid kebab. So right now I'm washing my rice. gonna put my mixed vegetable inside. And also, I'm gonna put my butter. Half a teaspoon of salt. And one of my Maggi cube, and that's it. One more cube, and that's it. I'm gonna put it to steam. Stay tuned. Also, I'm gonna cut up one green onion. I like when I have green onion in my rice. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sharing my video. Thanks for liking my video. Tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. You guys are here with me from the beginning and I love it. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna put my green onion into my rice, and stay tuned for later. My people, this is the final product of my shrimp and my squid kebab. The final product. That's the final product of my shrimp kebab. Shrimp and squid kebab. So here you go. And that's my plate. I serve it with a little rice and also my jalapeno on the side. So I'm going to give it a little taste. So sit back, relax, and come with me. Here is my shrimp and squid kebab. This is my jalapeno. I like to cook my jalapeno. Yeah. So right here is my shrimp right here. See that? That is my shrimp and also my squid together. It's really good. Tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. You need to try this squid. The squid and the shrimp together combination is good. So right here is my this one here is my squid. It is very good. So tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. So tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. I'm going to enjoy my food. Mm-hmm.